Okay, okay. Stop arguing on the video. World Heritage Site. And we're heading straight for this boat.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're speeding up.
And one day when you're old, you can watch this video and go, oh, that was me! Arguing with my nana in the background. Yeah. Smile. Well, say hello to all my fans.
Bye.
Photobomb.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're in Halong Bay at the islands, and we did a you know a whole thing with everybody over on that boat. See those people over there? We waved at them before, and they all waved back. And here's my beautiful wife. It's a good thing she's on my honeymoon with everybody else. Oi. Okay, there's my beautiful mum. And there's the captain who's just really scared that all these foreigners are going to give him an illness that kills him. Yeah. So it was like 440 VND to get on the boat for one person. If you come in a group time, yeah, it looks like it. Looks like a cave in there.
Yeah.
All of these mountains are all limestone, and they actually hollow out in the middle of them. And so when we're going around the corner to the area where we walk up, and we actually walk through the mountains, through the limestone caves. And so 440 VND at the moment, Australian dollar wise, that's about $22 for the boat trip. We actually chartered the whole boat, and that was only because it's off season at the moment, because it's March, and so it's coolish here. March is a beautiful time to come, and there's not many tourists here. But you'd think it works the other way around, because there's not many tourists. It means there's not much money, and so people are trying to pay their bills, and so you tend to pay more sometimes than if they've got a full boat and they just want to sell their tickets. So anyway, yeah. Oh well, we're being told we've got to go downstairs because we're nearly there. Okay, so we'll go downstairs. This is the little inlet here. So anyway, there we go. My brother and sister-in-law. No, we're told to come downstairs because we're nearly coming into the cove where we come into, and so they want us downstairs. There's an interesting little thing in there. I wonder what that is. What's that? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, there was a little cave in there with the steps up top and everything. Anyway, this is the famous bay, right, in Halong Bay.
This is why they want us downstairs. All their things out. That's
yeah.
why they...
Yeah, all the souvenirs are out on the table. There's only 7 people on the boat, but they're going to try and sell us some jewellery.
At the end of
that must be, I don't know, Twin Peaks? I don't know what you call that. Twin Peaks? Yeah. See, I know where all the landmarks are here and what they're called. And that's Little Bush over there. See, Little Bush. That's where I proposed to my now wife. So I recommend proposing under that tree. It's very lucky.
No photos.
Oh, no photos. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Come inside. By no photos, they mean only photos when you get there. Okay. So, anyway, we're just about here, and then when we get here, we go walking up through the mountain there, right? Look at the limestone.
7, 6, 7.
Yeah. There you go.
No, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. In my wallet. Yeah. So you have to have these tickets. So even though we're on a tour, they handed us the tickets, and then we hop on the boat, and then we've got to have them to get off the boat at the other end. I think if you lose them, they just charge you for more. It's just a test of comprehension. Yeah, Mum, yeah. Anyway, so it's a beautiful place.
I see.
See. We're proposed. Proposed. Now no single